Tutorial Collab Cam Streamlabs. Collab Cam in Streamlabs is a feature that allows multiple streamers to broadcast together in split screen format, enabling collaborative streaming experiences. Now here's how we are going to get this done. Say for example you already have here your Collab Cam, you can just go ahead and click on it. So this is an overlay that I have already installed here with the use of Streamlabs Ultra. Now this time I'm going to go ahead and add a collab in here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this one here, and then we're going to go ahead and look for collab cam. So this is what we have. I'm going to add the source, and then you can just name this however you want. So I'm going to call it collab number 1 or collab cam. Click add source, and from this point forward you're just going to go ahead and copy this one and then send this to someone. So I'm going to go ahead and try to do that now. Alright, so I've already sent this to someone, so I'm going to go ahead and open it from my phone, and then we're going to back to Streamlabs. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and wait for this one in here. So as you can see, it has 0 guests as of the moment. Alright, there you go. As you can see, something appears in here. Now we can click this one here. Now this is one of our guests. So I'm going to go ahead and preview that. Yep, I'm just going to go ahead and show some of my fingers in here. Now this is actually me doing it. Now this is my front facing camera. Now if I were to click this one here. Alright, there you go. I just lowered the volume because it is echoing. So this is how it looks right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to flip this one horizontally, just like so. And we're going to go ahead and put it in the frame. Alright, just like so. So again, this is for my guest. And we're going to go ahead and make a slight adjustment in here. Alright, there you go. Now I'm going to put this inside that folder. And we're going to go ahead and make sure that the name appears first. Alright, there you go. So that is the guest name. Now we can click this one here and change it. Right click this one, click properties, and we're going to go ahead and change that one. So again, the name here is Vladimir, just like so. Click done, and there you go. Oh, there you go. There's my hand. There's my fingers. Congratulations everybody, that is how you're going to do it. Now you know how to use Collab Cam for Streamlabs. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials, from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.